Christy. Today I'm going to show you new dies from Inlovearts. I receive I received new dies from Inlovearts, and I made my samples, and I'm going to show you what I have. For example, right here, this is a set of 5 greetings. As you can see, they are big words, okay? It comes these 5 in a set. So you have this one that says dream big, and look at the size of and in my hand, and I'm going to show you a card now. Look at this one, happy birthday. And then this one says good times. See? Then right here, this one says sweetheart. It's pretty big too, huh? And this one that says hello. See? Now I'm going to show you my samples. And for this sample right here, I use good times. Okay, this one right here. And I wanted to do something that has the look of traveling or the past, right? Because of the letters. So I made this like a pocket that you can add to mini albums. You can make a card like this. See, this is a card. And right here I put, and right here I made a pocket with parchment paper. Okay, right here, this is parchment paper. And I put 2 tags. And for these beautiful embellishments, I use this one right here. And this is from Inlovearts as well. It comes the film strip right here, this one, okay, right here. And then the camera, as you can see, the camera is this one right here. And I just use these 3 colors, okay, in all of the items. And then this bubble speech right here, okay, I cut a heart in red and I just put it in there. And right here, this one, it has hearts, so I just fill it with red hearts. And you can keep some pretty pictures, okay, in both sides. Right here, for example, you can save another picture, okay, and for any trip or travel, and then put it up here and give it to somebody as a gift. See, pictures of your trip, okay. And I love the film strip right here. See, and yeah, it looks very nice. And this can be for an album as well. Okay. And right here, this is one set of 4 dies, and this one is 5 dies. And now I'm going to show you the other ones, okay, the sample for the other words. I already used this one, good times. I'm going to put it up here, and here is my sample for this word that says hello right here. Okay, it's pretty big, right? So I put up here the word, and I just put layers of paper and a butterfly right here. So very nice for any card. And see, looks pretty big. It looks beautiful and very simple and easy to make. Okay, so now I'm going to show you another one. For example, right here you have a happy birthday card, and this one is from Inlovearts as well. I'm going to put the link of all of the dies that I use, just in case you want it, okay? And this one is this one right here, the happy birthday. See how big it is? Okay, and right here I have another one, and this one that says dream big, okay? And for this one, because I wanted to enhance the word big, I put right here, as you can see right here, a foam. So this one pop up, and it says dream big. See? And this is the die. See? I love it. Simple, and it has this detail of the word big. And for this one, I made another big card, And this card says sweetheart. So I put the same frame, okay, that I used in the other card, and this butterfly, and right here I use another die from Inlovearts, and it's this one right here. It's a set of 2 dies, and these are large, pretty large ones, see? And as you can see right here, this one has 4, like I would say doilies, because they look more like doilies than flowers. Okay, this one is like about 7 3/4, okay, almost 8 inches. And this one measures like about 10 1/2. See, and it has like 6 doilies. This one I cut in single, okay, doilies or flowers, and I just put them up here. So you can see these are the ones, okay? And then these little flowers are the blossoms from Inlovearts as well, and I just put it on top. See, so it looks so delicate. Look, it's a beautiful, like a doily or a flower. See? So I just put 3 in there, and just a few rhinestones, and that's it. It's a very nice card. Okay, this is another die that I received, and look at the size of this one. So big. Okay, this one is like about 5 inches. And here is my sample. As you can see right here, okay, the size of the die is 5 by 5, and this card is 5 by 5, and as you can see, the flower is all the way from the top to the bottom. See? And then I just put a few rhinestones here and there. And this banner I just cut by hand, the size that I needed, and this is from Inlovearts as well. So this is a set of, I think, 5 words. I'm going to put the link in the description box. And I use dies from my stash to make the roses and the leaves. See, love them. I have one more card, and I'm going to show you. I received this set right here. Okay, this is for graduation, and this is the word congratulations. And right here, this is the cap and the diploma, and I put them in a card along with another set of dice that I received from Inlovearts, and it's this one, a set of 3 frames. Okay, and this frame, they have stars in the edges. Okay, so I use these 2 to make the next card, and here it is. See, here is the bigger die, and as you can see, it has the stars. Then I just cover with this paper, and this is the last one, the small one right here. They has the stars as well. And then this is the set of dice for the graduation that I show you. So this is how it looks. Okay, this is the word congratulations, and right here I just paper piece this one, the tassel, and right here, okay, the ribbon for the diploma. And yeah, that's how it looks. So this is a card for graduation, and you can embellish a mini album, and you can embellish a mini album if you are making a graduation theme. See, the next set of dice is this beautiful snow globe. Okay, as you can see, it comes a set of 4 pieces, and this one is for making a shaker. Okay, you can make a shaker of a window right here, and this one is to embellish. And right here it comes with a set of snowflakes that you can cut out and put it in the shaker. Okay, and here is my sample. Okay, as you can see right here, this is the snow globe, and it's a shaker, and I use the snowflakes that comes in the die set, and I just put a few houses that I had from a paper, and I put it as a background, so it looks very, very nice for a Christmas project, right? So now I'm going to show you another one. and it's this one right here. And it's this one right here where I put a key right here and a lot of sequins so I can put in any card. See, so cute. And I made a card, and it's this one right here. I really wanted to make like a gum machine, so I thought that this could be a good idea using the snow globe. So right here, okay, I just put the color of the bubble gum machine, and these are seed beads, okay, seed beads in many colors. And right here I put this part up here that I use in the other ones, okay, and I use it in black. And for this part up here, it doesn't come with the dies, but I just put a piece of black, and then I cut with hole punch one circle, and I just put it in there. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks. And I really like it. And I had this paper that has a lot of color dots, and I put happy birthday. I love it. Okay, now I have more samples for you, and I'm going to start with this die right here. This one, I seen this die. I seen a lot of samples with this die. It's a little purse where you can put some chocolate and give it to your friends. And I made 2 samples, okay, and they look like this. Okay, I just play with the handles. Right here, this is how they look. Okay, the box looks like this, and you just open it, and you put like maybe 3 kisses or 1 small chocolate. And right here, you just put this one in the center and close it. Okay, and right here I use the blossom flowers, the mini blossom, and I just embellish it with that. Okay, I use a lot of those little flowers, and I just put 1 rhinestone. And for the handle, I cut a strip of the same paper, okay, and this one I cut it the size of the rhinestone, okay, very thin, and then I just glue on the side. But right here for this one, I measure it this way. I open it, so, and I wanted to do bigger than when I open, so I can pull this one all the way to the back. See, if you do this one small, then it doesn't open, so I make it big so you can open it. And that's one tip if you get this die and you want to play with it. And the other sample is like a handbag, because right here this one is smaller, and the same thing, I just cut one of the blossom, okay, dies, and I just glue it in there, and I just got the same paper, okay, for the handle. And this is the bag, and it looks like this. Okay, see inside, and as you can see right here, okay, I just mark with a pencil where I want it, okay, the handle. So I just make slits right here, okay, with a cutter, and I just pass this paper, the strip, I just pass it and glue it up here. See, so it doesn't look bad, and you can close it right here, and it looks like this. Okay, a mini handbag. So cute. It's a very nice miniature, right? So a perfect favor, or maybe a gift for your co-workers. So very nice. And the last one that I'm going to show you was a piece of cake. And I'm not kidding, it's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake box, okay? So right here, you get the die like this big, okay? And it goes through a machine that is 6 inches, so don't worry about it, okay? And you can make a box like this, okay? This is my sample. See, it's this size right here. And I use cardstock for that. And then I embellish with paper. Okay, and this is another die from Inlovearts. I just put it up here because I love how it looks for the cake. And then I put these pearls in both sides, and I use the same flower right here, the doily, one of these. Okay, and I put it on top, and this is another handmade rose. Okay, so right here you open it like this, and you can put anything in there. Okay, it can be a nice favor, or you can put a small gifts in there and give it to someone for a happy birthday. So very nice, right? You can make a lot of them too, because when you have the die, you can cut a lot of the same thing. Okay, for example, if you want to make a whole cake for a baby shower or any other shower, you need to cut like about 12 of these. Okay, so you cut 12 and then you can make a beautiful cake. So this is a very nice idea for a favor box, right? I hope you like all of my ideas. If you have the dies, you can maybe be inspired to make something different, or if you want to buy it, all the links are going to be in the description box. And I will put a coupon code so you can get a 15% off. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.